All right, guys, this is 2017 Plates and Patches football. Doing a one-box break. There it goes. One autograph, one of one printing plate, and one memorabilia card per box. We're doing two random teams per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left, starting from Jake S. down to Jerry D. We'll copy everybody's name and bring you guys over to random.org. Paste everybody in twice. You guys get two teams per spot. All right, as always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. We got Chris I on top and Trey Wins down bottom. Bring you guys back over here to the football spreadsheet. Arizona down to Washington. Guys, those are your teams for 2017 Plates and Patches. Thanks again, everybody, for getting in on this and filling it. Really appreciate it. Get that focus looking good. All right, that looks good. Thanks again, everybody. Appreciate it. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. All right, we go from the back. Here we go. First up is going out to the Pittsburgh Steelers. We got a legend. Heath Miller, 5 out of 10. Number 5 of 10, Heath Miller. There we go. Going out to Pittsburgh, and that is Jamie J. Jamie J picking up that Heath Miller, 5 out of 10, Legends. Very nice. Short print. Red variation. And we got a redemption. This one looks like it's going out to, oh my goodness, it's behind there. I'm going to flip that one over. Oh, how about an upper echelon blue Plates and Patches? Zay Jones. That would be for the Buffalo Bills. Chris C. That's your squad too, bro. The Zay Jones redemption. Make sure you get that in by August 7th, 2019. Plates and Patches upper echelon blue. Card number 1. Zay Jones redemption. I'm assuming that's an autograph, but I'm not sure. It doesn't say autograph. It just says upper echelon. So congrats on that, Chris C. Going out to the Bills. Man, we got a Cowboys. Yep, Dallas Cowboys legends, Lance Allworth. So last pack we had Y.A. Tittle. This time we get Lance Allworth. And that one's number 1 out of 75. Dallas Cowboys, and that is Chris I. Oh, is it? Nice. Okay. Lance Allworth, number 1 out of 75. The old school football. Got the college stripes on that bad boy. All right, not bad for the Cowboys. Number 1 of 75, Lance Allworth. And we got our printing plate coming up. And who's that going to be? Switzer? Okay. This one is for Wisconsin. So we'll have to see who's on this, but this is a 1/1 printing plate. Derek Watt, it's the brothers. Yellow, Derek Watt and TJ Watt, Wisconsin Badgers. So I know TJ's obviously for the Steelers. Where the hell is Derek Watt? We're going to have to search that up, man. This might go to random. Derek Watt, TJ Watt, dual elite football. This is from the 2017 Elite. This is from the Elite Football yellow printing plate. 1/1 yellow plate. So, yep. Derek never got drafted. Okay. And then Chris C says Chargers. Okay. All right. I'll double check that, but if not, okay, he did go to the Chargers. All right. Well then, yeah, I'll double check on this guy. So Pittsburgh and Chargers. So Austin S and Jamie J. We'll have to put this in a random. We'll do it between Chargers and Steelers. Like I said, I'll double check that, but yep, 1/1 printing plate. Very nice. All right, and our last hit. This thing is a monster. Going out to the Cowboys, Dallas, Chris I. Chris I. How about the Ryan Switzer Jumbo Pack? That thing is a nasty patch. 27/50. Ryan Switzer. Full coverage jumbo patch. That thing is gigantic. This is all jersey down here. White, navy blue, white, different color navy blue. So I guess we can call that a 4-color. Nice, man. That was number 27/50 going out to the Dallas Cowboys. Ryan Switzer. He had a good year. Punt returners. So that one's going out to Chris I. Very nice, man. Congrats on that. All right, and then, yep, Zay Jones goes out to the Bills. And then let's double check on this printing plate real quick. We got TJ Watt and Derek Watt, right? All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so yep, he does play for the Chargers. And obviously TJ Watt is for the Steelers. So yep, we're gonna go random on this. Good luck, guys. I'll put the Chargers and the Steelers up into the random. We'll do the same thing. We'll go 9 times with it. I'll put each team in twice. Let's take it over here. So the left side. All right, so the left side and top is Derek Watt. So we'll go Chargers first. And Steelers second. And then we'll put them in twice. So we got a little bit of a mix. All right, so we're going to random that 9 times. Whoever comes up on top after 9 will get the printing plate. Good luck, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, whoever comes up on top gets the 1/1. Good luck, guys. 9 times going out to the Chargers. Chargers on top. So that one goes out to Austin S. Austin S., you pick up that 1 of 1 printing plate. TJ Watt, Derek Watt from the Elite Football yellow printing plate. Very nice, man. Congrats on that. Let me put this up in here for you. Thanks again, guys, for filling that. I really appreciate it. Austin S., congrats on that, bro. Write your name on here. All right, thanks again, guys, for filling that. Appreciate it. It's Bambino. We are on to the next. We out.